As pet ownership continues to rise, so does the demand for high-quality grooming tools, especially dog clippers. Whether you're a professional groomer or a DIY pet parent, the right clipper can make grooming more comfortable for both you and your dog. This guide evaluates the best dog clippers based on motor performance, blade type, noise levels, battery life, ease of use, and overall value, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your furry friend's grooming needs. List number: WAHL Professional Animal Bravura Lithium-Ion Clipper. The WAHL Bravura is a premium-grade clipper trusted by professional groomers and veterinarians. Designed for versatility, it's suitable for dogs, cats, and even horses. What sets it apart is its powerful yet quiet motor that maintains consistent speed regardless of coat thickness. The lithium-ion battery provides 90 minutes of cordless use with a quick full charge in just 60 minutes. Its 5-in-1 adjustable blade allows precision grooming from paws to body. While on the pricier side, its exceptional build quality, ergonomic grip, and cordless cabled flexibility make it worth the investment for serious pet owners or pros. It's also relatively quiet, keeping anxious pets at ease during grooming. List number: oneisall Dog Clippers and Paw Trimmer Kit 2-in-1. This 2-in-1 grooming kit from oneisall is a fantastic option for pet parents looking to keep both body and paws neatly trimmed. The kit includes a full-size clipper and a small paw trimmer, both cordless and ultra-quiet to reduce pet anxiety. It uses ceramic blades for smooth cutting and minimal heat buildup, and the built-in rechargeable battery delivers about 80 minutes of runtime. Designed for home users, it's lightweight and beginner-friendly, making it great for first-time groomers. While it may struggle with dense or matted coats, its convenience and multifunctionality make it a solid, budget-friendly choice for routine maintenance. List number: oneisall Dog Clippers for grooming for thick, heavy coats. Built specifically for thick and heavy coats, this oneisall model stands out for its upgraded motor and stainless steel fixed blade, paired with a ceramic moving blade. The powerful motor allows it to glide through dense fur without pulling, making it ideal for breeds like Huskies, Golden Retrievers, or Poodles. Its low noise operation, below 50 dB, helps soothe nervous pets, while the rechargeable battery offers 150 minutes of use after a full charge. The clipper includes 6 guide combs for various hair lengths, making grooming at home highly customizable. A great mid-range pick for dog owners who need more cutting power without going full pro. List number: Dog Hair Clippers Grooming Kit plus Paw Trimmer plus Nail Grinder. This all-in-one grooming kit is perfect for pet parents who want a complete at-home grooming solution. It includes a full-size clipper, a precision paw trimmer, and a nail grinder, eliminating the need for multiple grooming tools. All components are cordless, rechargeable, and low noise, making them ideal for sensitive or anxious pets. The clippers feature a sharp stainless steel blade that's effective for most hair types, though not the best for very thick fur. The nail grinder, often a separately purchased item, is a welcome bonus that allows for safer nail trimming than clippers. This kit is fantastic for routine grooming and touch-ups, offering excellent value. List 5: oneisall Dog Clipper Low Noise Dog Grooming Kit. If you're just starting with DIY dog grooming, this entry-level oneisall clipper is a smart choice. It's affordable, lightweight, and includes everything you need: multiple guard combs, a cleaning brush, and oil. The low-vibration, ultra-quiet motor makes grooming less stressful for skittish pets. Despite its simplicity, the ceramic blade performs well for small to medium dogs with medium to light fur. The cordless design and USB charging offer convenience and portability. Although the battery life, about 80 minutes, may not be sufficient for multiple dogs or long grooming sessions, best for regular upkeep and light grooming.